Designed specifically for the 2020 to 2026 Volvo XC90, the EcoHitch X6099S features a 100% concealed cross tube, patent-pending stainless steel receiver, and weight ratings up to 6,000 pounds of towing and 650 pounds tongue weight. It's the perfect solution for towing, hauling e-bikes, cargo carriers, and more.
All right, today we're going to be working on a 2026 Volvo XC90. We're going to be installing the EcoHitch X6099S. We're going to begin by opening the trunk. And we're going to be removing these two rubber stops by just twisting and pulling out. Then we're going to move to the inner fender liners and remove the T25 Torx using an impact, a 90-degree, and a T25 Torx bit adapter. Remove 4 T25 Torx from the underside of the car. Then using a plastic panel tool, you're going to gently remove the wheel fender liners. Then we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Then we're going to gently release the clips on the bumper on both sides. This part might be easier with 2 people. Then we're going to release the bumper clip on the passenger side of the car. And we're going to gently set this bumper aside until we're ready to reinstall it later. We're going to remove the 6 bumper bolts holding the rear cross member on. Then we are going to remove the cross member and set it aside. It will not be installed. The hitch will take its place. So now we're going to take our EcoHitch and hang it off the studs and replace the nuts that you just removed in the last step. Then we're going to take our M10 bolt for the lock washer and the flat washer and insert it in the last hole in the hitch. Now we're going to tighten down and torque all these bolts using a 15mm for the OEM stud bolts and a 17mm for the M10 bolts just installed. And now we're going to go through and torque all of our bolts to spec. Now we're going to reassemble our bumper in the reverse order that we just took it off, remembering to always re-plug in your bumper. Then we're going to replace the 4 T25 Torx on the underside of the car. we're going to replace the 2 rubber bump stops inside the trunk area. Now we're going to install the stealth receiver using a 5/8 bolt with a 5/8 lock washer and a 5/8 flat washer. Then we're going to tighten down that bolt with a 15/16 wrench.